Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Sling work. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser, which is Google Chrome. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. At the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's type in Sling work login and hit enter. Now you may come across various sites with even the same name, but you have to make sure you tap into the official one. Let's type into this one right here at the very first, and you'll be greeted with this login page. Now you have to tap your email that is associated with your account and your password. That's it. And you have to tap in that I'm not a robot option. And I know it's a very boring thing to do. I really don't want to do this, but you have to do, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's telling me to select all images with fire hydrant. Okay. Let's do that and verify. Please, okay, I almost was like, what? Okay, verify. So we have already verified. All you gotta do is tap in that blue button that says log in, and you'll be logged into your Sling account. Also, you can either sign in through your Google account or even your Apple ID. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics and give a thumbs up and share. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.